Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ayman. Today I am going to recite the translation of Surah Al-Ikhlas. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, He is Allah, the One. Allahu Samad, Allah, the self-sufficient Master, whom all creators need. He neither eats nor drinks. He begets not, nor what was he begotten. And there is none co-equal or comparable to him. Sadaqallahul Aliyyul Azim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.